Welcome everyone back to the channel. In this week we are going to Raptor coat our bull bar. So today we're going to start off by wire brushing it. We've got a bunch of different wire brushes here, so they'll just attach to a Ryobi drill, so we'll get all of this gunk off, and then we'll get it prepped and we'll get some Raptor on it. This is Raptor paint. We'll show you what that does later. Right, so we've started off, we've taken the bull bar off already. We saw that in the intro. It's 4 bolts. We don't need to show that. Luckily on the LJ50 they're actually welded on the other side, which is pretty neat. Anyways, we're going to get all this gunk off. You can see here we're going to use a wire brush. So we've got the drill, we've got an attachment, so it's just magnetic. Please, anybody that's going to wire brush out there, wear safety glasses, because these little bits, they fly off and they can get you in the eye. And you know, I'm not one for heaps of safety, but they can hurt real bad. So wear safety glasses when wire brushing. Anyways, let's get to it. We're just gonna take it back to sort of like this dark color you can see in there a bit. We've just tested it, so we're gonna take it back to that and get it looking nice. Just quickly, along with the bull bar, we're also going to put some roof racks on it, and we're going to paint the mounts in the same Raptor as the bull bar. Right, so everything's now sitting on our paint stand. We've got our bull bar up, and now we've got all of our roof rack mounts. Well, not all, but most of them. We're going to paint them all in Raptor, and then we've also got some more mounts sitting on the paint crate. And we'll move inside the garage to El Zuke. We've got Raptor mix, so hardener, Raptor. Actually no, that's tint. Hardener's down there. And then here we're going to Raptor the back here. So we've just masked it off. So that's all nice and masked. So hopefully we don't get too much overspray. So now we'll get into painting. Right, so finished Raptoring it. I'm super surprised, but one bottle of Raptor that's down there painted the whole bumper, all of the roof rack mounts, and part of the rear of the Zook. I mean, that's insane for one bottle of Raptor. So Raptor's done good. I mean, I freaking love it. Looks awesome. This is how you make an alloy bar look good. So yeah, we'll let it dry, and in a day or two we'll install it. Right, so I decided to give Susie a wash, so she's just gotten a wash just with some water and soapy water. So now, pardon the wind, we're going to put the roof rack back together. So we've got all the parts on the table, pretty handy having this table, and we're going to put it back together. Righto, I think we're going to end it for this week's episode. This wasn't a how-to, it isn't a how-to, but we got the bumpers rapted, and we've got the roof rack mounts rapted, and the roof rack on. It's looking really cool. So we zoom back out, it's looking real nice. We've also gotten these bars on the inside painted. You see me in the reflection. G'day. So the bull bar it all ties into the wheels and everything. It just looks super good. We'll take a quick trip to the rear. We also got the rear rapted. It ties in the rear. So yeah, that'll be it for this video. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up. You know, even subscribe if you want to. Make sure if you do subscribe, hit that notification bell, and you get a notification when the video comes up. It means you get to watch it. Also follow me on my Instagram. I'll chuck it on the screen at It's Jensen M. You'll get some updates. Maybe you see some other cars at home. Yeah. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one.